Here.
Hey guys, we're going to the car wash. This is gonna be awesome. Yeah, let's do this.
Hi, Grandma. Hey, Layla. What are you doing, Missy?
Oh, the lights are on. I'm so excited to see the tentacles.
You ain't been fighting nobody, have you?
I'm so excited to see the tentacles.
You can't see.
That's good.
Yeah, it's so awesome.
Y'all still in Minnesota?
How many minutes are there? Oh, 32 hours.
Y'all still in Minnesota?
Yeah, nah. And look. Wow, look guys. Look at that. That's so cool.
What are those swirly things?
What are those swirly things? Jeez. They're like Squidward tentacles. Sorry guys. I'm a little sick.
So you should make me.
Oh, there's water.
What y'all been doing that for?
Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
There's colors!
Your boss,
Sorry,
what
guys,
y'all been
I'm
doing
coughing.
ever since y'all been doing
Oh my goodness, this is soap!
So,
I'm allergic to soap. Go throw up. Oh, look at that! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! We're going! Oh my goodness! Look at those tentacles! Wait, look up. Go right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness! Okay, I see the soap. I'm allergic to soap. Oh, look at that, guys!
Ah, spinning tornado.
That's so cool!
Huh?
Oh my goodness! Okay, we're
Gonna do
going.
it.
I think we're going in.
Come on in.
I think we're gonna use. I think we're gonna use water here.
What?
I think we're gonna use water here. Water time! Look at the water. Water time! Whoa! Wow! Wow! Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Wow!
Just listen to it.
Wow! Wow! Whoa! Oh, we're going to the sun right now. I'm a little sick. I'm COVID. I'm allergic to soap. Oh, it's turning blue. It's turning different colors. There's blue and light blue. Green like alien.
Look this.
My goodness, stop. Okay. Oh, we're going in water. Oh, wow, there's giant things. Oh, my goodness, look at these. Okay, we're going to dry off. We're going to dry off. Oh, my goodness, we're shutting down. Water number one. Oh, there it is. Okay, I think we're done for now. Okay, bye, guys.